Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the batteries in your Rockshox Digital Shock Pump. Start off by unclipping the hose and moving it out of the way so you can access the 4 screws on the back. You'll need a 1.5mm hex wrench to remove the screws. When you're done loosening the screws, flip it right side up and give it a little tap so the screws fall out. Now, clip the hose back on and remove the digital gauge cover. This will now allow you to remove the digital gauge out of the pump. Next, grab a flathead screwdriver and remove the battery cover. You'll need a CR2032 replacement battery. After you put in the new battery, make sure the gauge comes on. The next few steps are very simple. You should be able to follow them just by watching the video. Hope this came in handy. Drop us a like, and until next time, sick boy!